Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable silent mode on any iPhone. Now there are three methods to enable silent mode on your iPhone. For the first method, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. In the control center, you will find a bell icon. Now just tap on it to enable silent mode. And once you do that, you will enable silent mode on your iPhone. For the second method, just open settings, then tap on action button. And from here you can set the action button to enable silent mode. After you select the silent mode option from this list, you will be able to press and hold the action button to enable silent mode. Just like that. For the third method, just open settings, then tap on sounds and haptics. And from here you will find the option silent mode. Now to enable silent mode on your iPhone, just enable this toggle. And after you do that, you will enable silent mode on your iPhone. And this is how you can enable silent mode on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.